This is the true industrial statics, hardcore record, full record of the entire assembly details of SHT, automotive parts injection molds revealed. Welcome to CNMOULDING. In this video, we provide an in-depth exploration of the complete assembly procedure for large-scale, high-precision injection mold. This is not merely a mechanical assembly of components, but rather rigorous demonstration of precision engineering, technical expertise, and unwavering attention to detail. Prior to final assembly, all essential machining operations, including CNC milling while cutting, electrical discharge machining ADM, grinding, and milling have been meticulously completed. For further context, please refer to our previous video content. Core and foundation, the integration of mold inserts and mold base. We highlight the precise integration of hardened and finely ground mold inserts into the robust mold base structure. Special emphasis is placed on the calibration and alignment process using dial indicators to achieve micrometer-level concentricity between the front and rear mold, an essential requirement for eliminating flash and parting line imperfections in the final product. A key focus of this presentation is the installation and function of the ejection and core pulling mechanisms. Installation of the angled lift mechanism. You will observe how the angled ejector pin, precise line traverses through the guide block and, actuated by the ejector plate, executes a synchronized motion combining vertical ejection with lateral displacement, effectively resolving internal undercut. Features in the molded component. Slider mechanism installation. We demonstrate the integration of cylinder-driven sliders and their precise actuation via inclined guide pins to achieve accurate side core pulling, ensuring dimensional accuracy and structural integrity in complex geometries. Whether you are new to the field of mold manufacturing, an experienced professional, or simply interested in advanced industrial processes, this presentation offers valuable insights into the sophisticated world of precision tooling. You will gain a deeper appreciation for the ingenious mechanical design principles and the dedication to excellence embodied by frontline mold artisans, the true custodians of the modern craftsman spirit. We welcome your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below. Our team will make every effort to respond promptly and thoroughly.